Introducing the ARC Booster Set from DPT. The ARC Booster Set is available in twin or triple pump configuration in both Abara and Grundfos pump options and is fully RAS approved. Each ARC Booster Set comes with connections for BMS and a full touchscreen display, allowing you to easily access important information. Using the touchscreen display, you can activate each inverter and be presented with important information, such as frequency and pressure. Easily drill down into each inverter to access advanced data and current status and performance. Access historical alarms quickly and easily, allowing you to diagnose potential issues that you can rectify or provide feedback to your chosen BMS system. Advanced features are available through password-protected screens to ensure system security. For more information on the DPT ARC Booster Set, contact DPT today.